Back to Unity 6.3, we're on to the General Accessibility API updates and improvements. Made the following changes to the Accessibility API. They added new accessibility role values with screen reader support for container views, drop-down menus, tab buttons, and text fields. They added a new assistive support.screenReaderStatus override API that allows screen reader support APIs to function even when the screen reader is off or its status is unknown. They changed the underlying type of accessibility role and accessibility state to byte. They converted accessibility role from a flags enum to a standard enum. And they deprecated the accessibility node.selected and renamed it to accessibility node.invoked. To learn how these changes affect your project if you're upgrading to 6.3, refer to the Accessibility API changes in Upgrade to Unity 6.3 page. And that was the General Accessibility API updates and improvements for Unity 6.3.